This is my beef stuffed potato balls, and trust me, it's gonna be your new favorite snack. And guess what? You only need 5 potatoes for this recipe. Peel, wash, and boil your potatoes until they are very soft. Use a fork to mash the potatoes until very smooth. You now go ahead to cut your onions and pepper or chop them into very small sizes. After cutting them, add them to your mashed potatoes. Add some seasonings, curry powder, thyme, and seasoning powder. Heat a pan and add little oil and saute your minced beef. Add seasonings and curry powder as well as thyme or any kind of spices you may wish. Take a scoop of the mashed potatoes, make a hole in the center and stuff with the minced beef. Use your palms to enclose the minced beef properly so that it forms a ball-like shape, and then afterwards you slide a skewer through to the center of the mashed potato balls. Break 2 eggs into a bowl, season, add salt and whisk properly. Now dip each potato ball into the whisked egg, then into flour to coat, and then back into the eggs. This makes it extra crispy. Dip the coated potato balls in hot oil and fry until both sides are golden brown. When they are golden brown, it means they are cooked. And here they are, my beef stuffed potato balls. These are very delicious. It's a must try. If you love this video, please do well to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button. Thank you.